Hey everyone! So ngayong araw na, kakatapos lang na Australia Day kahapon, which is, I think yun na yung last day of vacation, summer vacation dito. Yeah, kahapon yung parang pinaka-ultimate, redundant. Yung pinaka-ultimate na kwan nila, na vacation nila na break. Pinaplano kong mag-vlog sa work, kasi hindi ako maka-vlog kasi sobrang busy. Eh ngayon, baka medyo slow or medyo steady na makapag-vlog tayo. Or kung hindi man proper vlog, siguro mag-video na lang ako sa loob ng kusina and lalagyan ko na lang ng narration para makita nyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin sa loob ng kitchen. And FYI, hindi lahat ng kitchen dito pare-pareho ng work. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano or ano yung situation sa work ko. Ayan. Napag-decide ko rin na I'll just keep vlogging my journey here kasi may manood man o wala, baka kasi may makatulong tong vlog ko sa mga nagpaplanong pumunta dito. Bago ko muna ipakita yung work ko sa kitchen, syempre papakita ko muna kung paano ako pumunta sa work. So ayan, naglalakad ako dito about 20 minutes away sa workplace ko. Pero may instances na kailangan yung gumamit ng public transportation, kagaya ng iba kong kasama dito na nag-work sa Latonero, si Marinel at April, na kailangan nilang habulin yung bus. Kasi normally ang mga bus dito every 30 minutes or every 45 minutes. Kailangan mo talagang habulin or malilate ka. Either you're early or you're gonna be late. Ganun yung schedule dito pag gagamit ka ng public transport. Pero pag nasa city ka naman, medyo mas madali kasi may train. And ang train dun around every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes merong darating. So, depende pa rin talaga sa pag-workan mo. Tip ko lang is maghanap kayo ng bahay na at least malapit sa workplace nyo. Hey chef, I'm making videos today.
Okay.
How are you, chef?
I'm feeling pretty good this morning. Really am pumped.
Guys, Chef Steve is one of the best guys here, hardworking. We'll wait for the other ones to come in and I'll introduce you guys to them. Yeah, for the YouTube documentation. So first thing we need to do when we go here, so I'm gonna be speaking English. Pag mali-mali yung sasabihin ko, bahala na. Kung wrong grammatization ako, bahala na. And so first thing we need to do in the morning is to fix all the orders right here. We have to fix it on the specific sections we have here. So we have sauces, we have every section here. We have the flatties, we have the larder, we have the mains right here. So yeah, we'll have to fix everything. Let's do it. So ito yung order sheet. Ngayon dito namin i-check kung ano yung mga na-deliver, ganyan. And ano yung mga kulang doon sa order kahapon. After we're done fixing the deliveries, ang next naman natin gagawin is prep list, which Chef Steve have already started. Okay, so prep list. Some water. And chan. We have to multitask if you work in a kitchen. So currently I'm boiling crabs, and on the other side I'm doing cheesecakes. Okay, white chocolate. It's white chocolate right here. Pastry tapos seafood. Importante talaga ng multitasking dito kasi alam mo, dadalawa kami ngayong umaga. So kailangan naming tapusin lahat ng kailangang tapusin para alam mo yun, goods ang service namin mamaya. Perks of working here, you get a free hot chocolate or coffee in the morning. How's your coffee, chef, or chocolate? Ooh, yum. Yum. Introduce yourself, OG.
Hey, Loki, let me hold it.
What?
Let me hold the camera.
Flip it.
Oh.
There you go.
Hey guys,
guys.
it's Hannah.
And I'm with Beach Brain. Hi.
She's the OG here. The bling. The bling.
Got it.
So it's quite slow, and we're just finishing all the preps we're doing right now. Cutting lemons, making sauces, prepping meats, raw foods like the tuna, swordfish, and chicken. So medyo slow kami ngayon. 2:30 na. Normally ang busy namin is around 1 hanggang 3 or minsan 12 to 3. Option ko, meron ako mga fresh fruits dyan. Figs, apricot, meron tayong wheat loaf, asparagus, charred corn. That's fennel salad. Ginagamit namin sa swordfish yan. Eggplant, chimichurri, and dragoncella sauce. Yung pan dito, karamihang ingredient. Prep namin from the scratch talaga. So, madaming learnings, madami kami natututunan. After an hour, magbe-break na rin ako. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari sa dinner mamaya. Kung magbe-busy ba or slow. Kung slow, maaga tayo makaka-uwi. Next time siguro, tatry ko mag-vlog pag busy. Pag busy kasi ang hirap mag-vlog, kailangan namin mag-focus talaga eh. Kaya mahirap. What?
Hi, bitches.
Hi bitches.
Hey, bitch.
Hi bitches, how y'all doing?
How do you start your video on your channel? Come on, do it. I'll take a video.
Wait, turn it off. Wait, start again.
Alright, start again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel.
Doon yung main section sa dulo. Ito yung flatbread and tapa section. Dito naman yung larger section. Tapos meron din tayong seafood section dito banda. And medyo maliit lang yung kusina namin. Tsaka konting tao lang yung ine-employ lalo pag gantong weekdays. Around 3, ganun, 3 lang kami. Pero pag weekends, madalas 5 kami, ganyan. Kasi medyo busy. May mag-work sa PAS. PAS meaning siya yung expediting ng docket. Siya yung nagsasabi kung ano yung mga order na pumapasok, ganyan. Tapos itong si Mains, siya yung in charge dun sa mains na dishes, like yung mga steaks, mga ganyan. Tapos dito naman sa flatbread or tapas, yan yung mga pika-pika, food sharing, kumbaga. Kasi mostly na nag-order dito is yung mga nasa bar. Doon naman sa larder, doon yung mga dessert, salad, doon yung dining. Doon palabas doon. Kaya nga sabi ko, konti lang yung ine-employ pag weekdays. Si Mains na rin yung nag-expedite, which is yung trabaho ko ngayon. Kasi dito ako sa Mains ngayon. So ito, like ito. Ako yung nagko-call ng mga order, ganyan. Kung may mga special orders like allergens, gluten-free, dairy-free, mga ganyan. Kailangan kong sabihin sa kanila bago nila gawin. Para alam mo, kasi kasalanan ko pag di ko sinabi. Oregano. Service! It's gone break! And yun nga guys, may 1 hour break tayo. And hindi lahat ng restaurant nagbibigay ng an hour break. Most restaurants din nagbibigay ng 15 minutes break lang, 30 minutes break. Especially pag busy, ganyan. May mga times din na hindi kami nakakapag-break kasi nga busy, diba? Daming kailangan i-prep, ganyan. Pero most of the time meron naman.
1 hour later.
So if we're kind of slow like this, right, Steve?
Yeah.
We have to clean all sheets, all the shelves. We have to deep clean even the back part of the grill, the walls. Nga, lilinisan na namin lahat ng mga equipment namin, and so maglilinis kami kasi medyo slow. Normally ganito yung mga ginagawa sa mga restaurant pag slow. So as much as possible, linisan namin lahat. Table 101 that finishes the bucket. Saga and beer batter for table 8. Chef. Dog, you got 2 tuna coming? You order it. That's 3 slider do all day, 2 pork belly all day, 2 cheese croquettes, 2 ribs, 2 squid, 2 chicken wings, 2 beer butter chips, and 1 sweet potato chips. What you making, chef?
I don't know what it is.
Uh,
It's called surprise, motherfuckers. Surprise, motherfuckers.
Making a Thai curry, something close.
Something like a Thai curry. It's called Thai French curry.
Nice. This guy working so hard, cleaning the grease trap. Yeah, do your job. Yeah, keep doing your job. Yep, just keep doing your job, chef. Oh no. So this is my head chef, Chef Mike. He's single, ready to mingle.
Look at that booty, show me the booty.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's Chef Mitch right there. Look at that handsome guy. Oh, very hot. What a man.